Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Ophis u Executive Engineer ka PHE Maukarwat Division ka lapenlong ya ka program Gram Sabha meeting bat Rakheru ya ka Jal Arpan Diwas kabalong ka sngi lekmen ya ka jinglong try jong kishnong bat ka VWSC ya ka scheme JJM. Ya kene ke program lapenlong Ranikor Multi Purpose Hall bat ka jing penlong ya kene ke program kalong kum shibenta ban ai jing hikai ya ki dekhot ka VWSC bat kinong yalam shnong ya ki kam ka ba ki dei ban le na ka benta ban penyat bet penyat danti ya ka scheme JJM hapo kishnong. Ha kene ke sngi na ka liang ki junior engineer ka Ranikor subdivision bat DPMU kilayok ru ban pensyai ha ka bayadei bat ki kendon Kamram berkejingkit kli jong ka Village Water and Sanitation Committee bat kumjuru ya ka scheme 16th Finance Commission tied grant ka scheme ban ajing rap kerpang ya ka shnong VWSC bat ban penbha shushu ya ka scheme JJM hapo ki shnong ki jongki layok ru ban sami ki sernot bat ki momento shaki apusan tali ki shnong ki balayok ka jing ithu kum ki har ghar village Kiba baro kilongyeng kilabiang lot ko umbam umdi kumju haki jaka puli bat ki aganwadi center. Lapanya je ke jingelang da uba juni jerwa haringkat ke jingedan lang USDO Ranikor subdivision UJE uba tenchan wanyang HB Rabha uba ti laurnyang bat ki riu rang ba jong kathan.
Lanyokor baro Ibenta bagile idan cimut Nakula pangan sungku Skep yang ditinggal kamu Batune besar Bat tundang kampok Yakun Bandar kejing kekri Ayat Haslam Haskul Badha jakat reyu Uju Ngan pun setri Yakaum Batngan pun syuru Yakiwai Batimri Kin Sumar Bom Eka Ngan penek pensak Ya ketulung Dan sumar suker Ru yaki Ban mai nak dijing jabo Bat dijing penting Dan pulih Dan sam Dan penselur Yaki wei Dan penek bisa Nasuju takani Perkai Jomi, Banyada, Balbi, Al-Sumar, Al-Tingkai, Yakum, Binta, Ngan Makalami, Jomi, Mansuk, Batsingai. Dan IT lagi, Kata dengan Jempura, Om Tan Haki Gintin, yang baik hati kamu tujuh. Gum jal naksya, unong irahun, unong semaru, nakula banyerap, bat insyai ya kajingan kamu, berbenda eksak, dan dan long kecil kamu. Please take your seat.
All assets that government had constructed, implemented in your village should be maintained and should be kept in safe custody by the VWSC. The government now had only given the asset structure to your village, but your village may think, this are government sarkari kamal. We can do whatever we like. Oh, yeah. kisnong ni sedan kata cik berkat kini cuma sarkar nilai kan pemuan ni pencet ada kubur upai kuai cakaban fix ban penbahan tu nang pencet hambun susu nilai kom tanai kisnong ni. This is the time that you have to revive. You have to revive your thoughts. You have to revive your tasks. You have to revive your effort. That the WC have to take the responsibility that every asset should be kept, maintained, and in safe custody. Ke basau pede. Kabasau tadi ke responsibility kelompok. Responsibility number 4 is that you have to ensure that every household get water by regular maintenance and operation. Regular maintenance and operation. Mau pentar pi kisnong haban sim tinggi klik kebin bersih haban sim tinggi klik ba Gide ban pay ban repair ban penbahan baparok kijing gide ban yo ma haban repair gini ka repair ke law ka ban akmat lamar pilai yo bajot wei pai haban sim immediate action haban sim action at the very early stage ma you have to take action at the very early stage. When any breakdown is there, you have to fix it. Suppose like now in the summer season now like maybe there may be landslide, so fossil may come and fill up the dam. So when fossil fill up the dam, you will not get water anymore. So what to do? You have to engage people from your university to clean that one. You have to take immediate action. Or any pipe may break down, so you have to take immediate action to repair that one. And how to repair? How to get fund to repair, then I'll come to the next point. I'll come to the next point. So you have to take immediate action for operate and maintenance of the government asset. And number five, this is the most important for you all the way to see, that is the water charge or water tariff. You can say water charge or water tariff. Mau kapoin kebesan along syapang kecindung by mo kata water charge ni water dari bah kap andum by tapi kumno kumno by kani ngan kam stress niat kani nomor ba hakani tio beladep ni lah survey kani gilam batang niat na kibi si di Bandung ni kani ka water charge mo. As we had found, as per our survey, we have found that only very few WC collect the water charge from the village, from every household within the village. So this point is very important. Let me go a little bit deeper on this portion. So the WC or the CCM guidelines has no specific rate. The CCM guideline has no specific rate how much you have to collect from every household monthly. It depends on it has empowered. The CCM has empowered the WSC to fix the rate as per the condition within your village, as per the size of the village, as per the length of the pipe. You have to decide within your village how much you will take the water charge. Semua baik. Ini pensimbai kasyong hakasinong. Ka CCM kamdon ka guidelines ban ong bag ban sim kata-kata. Ka Ivory pi ka WSC bapin bu ma pi ka WSC katno pindom bai hakasibnai. Kasyong hakajimpe pi kasinong ka cingdon cungki structure kasinong kitop iwi ka cingcrong ka guideline ka cingdon cungki jing pinhaban ia mundur pihak WSC ban pinhaban mundur di kini WSC ma. Te gidon lagi senong ki bangila lap la kalau mau keluar lalong Ranikor ka bangila SCM ki bangila survey kalau gidon senong ki Bandung nadu live podingka gidon ru senong Bandung teng arpodingka ru tabang ong kita kalau tulis semua arpodingka de kini isi kalau ngerit palat gilum live teu gidon Bandung nadu live ter hadu sispa tingkah gilum kowe kijing haka si benai mo.